Hi guys, we are here in winery. Dito pa rin sa Laguna. So ito yung second destination namin for today. So nag-wine tasting kami. And then pinakita sa amin yung pagawaan ng wine, which is depends, yung pressure niya is depende sa taon kung gaano katagal siya brewing or ibinabad. So papakita ko sa inyo guys yung sa factory nila, and then yung sa wine tasting na ginawa namin. And then for now, kakain na kami ng mga sweet foods nila rito. Okay, with the stunning view of Armenia.
Wow! Bilang na lang ito siya nila.
Ito na lang.
Ayun na lang.
Kasi, parang matigas naman yun. Eh, kasi parang yung makakainin mo.
Food vlog.
Kami tayo. Kaya ito masarap. Ba? Kasan caramel na? Ewan. Ay!
Food vlog nga to eh. Kayo yung nag-ano.
Pokbang. Kami yung manlalait.
Kayo yung manlalait, gano'n.
Hindi, masarap lang.
Masarap daw lahat.
Masarap, hindi ganun tatamis.
Oh no! Yung kasi lima.
So, di na tayo makain ng tanghali.
You'll try it? I'll take your video. They love drinking.
Let's play.
Go, I'll take your video. Okay, no worries. Then I will just take your video.
1994 by Simonian's family, and this is a family business. Here we produce wine from these two grapes, Voskehat and Tarek. From type Voskehat we produce dry wine. And from Areni grapes type we have a red dry, semi-dry and semi-sweet. Also we produce fruit wines like pomegranate, cherry, blackberry and raspberry. Fruit wines are semi-sweet. And we produce strong drinks also. Which kind of wine do you prefer? Dry or sweet? Let's start with grape semi-sweet wine, 12.5% alcohol. And for you?
Anything, same like them. Okay, I will take it.
Grape semi-sweet wine from Areni grapes type.
Ano?
Oh, matapang. Yung amoy.
12.5 kasi.
Hala.
Hindi pa ito strong. Kasi pa yung same-sweet.
Just, lalasing pala ako dito. Oh.
With bread catching.
Oh, that's right.
Hindi tayo.
Ang sarap. Oh. Ikaw lang ang bibidyoan ko eh.
Eh, bakit ako?
Wine tasting. Oh. Matapang to. Mas over ko yung una.
Ako din. Ikaw ang bet mo. Alcohol lang siya. Di man daw siya umiinom.
Ano? Okay na ako sa wine tasting. Kayo na lang. Dito ako sa unahan para di siya makita. Ang galing. Wow! Winery. Oh.
This is the storage. Aging process goes in the barrels. They are made from the
Mhm.
apple olive tree. 1.5 year wine stays in the barrel, then it goes to the bottle and the aging process continues.
Mm.
Here we have old wines, aged wines. For example, 10 years old wine, 15 years old. But the oldest wine in our factory is the first production. Wow! If it's older, it's more expensive.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, just bottles with plastic because that is a symbol of oldness, and here that as always corks are imported from the Portugal. They are made with the cork tree.
Mhm.
Those are the express corks. This is the tradition. Wow! In the making process, before people used the wine, so now we want to keep the tradition. Yeah, those are the tools for to make the barrels. If you have any question, you can ask.
That's right.